Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to evaluate the mathematical expression over there. Okay, let's start. Now, looking at this arithmetic expression, we need to work from left to right. Okay, so let's deal with the first two. Now, 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5. Now, this is going to be, let's look at something here. If you have x over x is not equal to 1, so 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5 is going to give us 1. So therefore, we are going to have 1 divided by 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5. Okay, so and if you have 1 divided by 1 over 5, let's do something here. 1 over 1, then we flip this one, 5 over 1. So we are going to get 5. So this is going to be 5, I mean when you evaluate this one, divided by 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5. So in the same way, if you are dividing a whole number by a fraction, you flip the fraction. So this is going to be 5 times 5, and when you flip this one, so divided by 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5. So we have 25 divided by 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5. So once again, we have a whole number. To a whole number, we are going to flip this one. So that will be 25 times 5. And 25 times 5 is 125. So we are going to have 125 divided by 1 over 5. So as usual, you are dividing a whole number by 5. So we are going to flip, and then we have 125 times 5. And what is 125 by 5? We are getting 625. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.